PC is going to equal 10.8 divided by 3. Why? Why? Because of the definition of a centroid. Remember, the centroid is 3 pieces. This is 1 piece. So I'm going to take it and divide it by 3. That's it. Definition of a centroid, right, Skylar? Is that what you got down? You understand it? Okay? So, that gives you the answer, right? That tells you that you have 3.6 for PC. So what is that, Skylar? What's that reasoning? What did we do to get the 3.6, Shay? What did we do? What did we do? How did we get to 3.6? What did we do?
I'm gonna guess.
Yeah, go ahead, guess.
Substitute?
Huh?
Substitute?
Not substitute.
Well, I don't think
It does start with an S.
Division. That's not.
Division, you said, right?
No, not I.
No, division.
Yeah, it says division.
I mean, what did I do here? What
Divided.
did this do?
Division
We
property.
divided.
Wait.
It's not division property because all we did was divide, right? So what's that called when all you do is divide?
Divided.
Simplify.
Simplify.
You simplified.
There's the word.
Okay? So, that's the that's the answer for 12. But you can keep going, right? You can keep going and get your answer for 13, right? Because HP, I need 12 to be able to do HP. Does that make sense? So to do HP, what do I got to do? And I'm looking at HP, and how many CPs are in HP? How many CPs are in HP? What do we know about a centroid?
It's 3.
There's 3 pieces, yeah. And how many of those pieces are in CP? 2. Very good. So I know that HP is equal to 2 PC. Why do I know that? Right? Definition of a centroid. That tells me that HP is 2 PCs. Does that make sense? So now what I do is I substitute, right? I plug in something. So I'm going to plug in for PC. So I'm going to go HP is equal to 2 times 3.6. And that's called substitution. Right? And so what's the next step to that? What's the next step to that? What do I do after that? What do I do?
Simplify.
Simplify, which means what?
Divide.
Not divide.
Multiply.
Multiply. You do what it says.
Yeah.
2 times 3.6. Which is? And that's how we came up with 7.2.
Dude, you're 7.2.
Okay? So this is your steps. So we're going to do the same thing with this. Okay? So that we understand all the steps. Because it was very important. Rosa pointed out that I could do this all day. And I could put the numbers up here. And then you guys go, yeah, this weekend was great. What did you do? Oh, let me write this down. Okay, but yeah, what are we going to do? I don't know how to do this. Right, Skylar? Okay? I can't have that. Okay? I can't have you just sitting there chatting and copying it down. Or taking a picture. Right? Because just taking a picture, just writing it down, doesn't mean jack. It ain't going to do nothing for you on Wednesday when you got to do the test. Okay? You gotta understand the steps. And that's why I go through this extra process. Okay? If you take the time to understand these steps, it's going to help you understand the process. Does that make sense? Okay? And when I ask you to do a 2-column proof, it's going to be easy. Because you're used to doing it in your notes. Does that make sense, Jaden? Okay? So let's start out with JA. I'm going to actually, you know what? I'm going to take a break. I'm going to pause this.
Bro, I'm a kitty.
Right?